Hi guys, it's Random Vlog here, and today we are going to be doing hammer beads. We will be doing a bird, but first of all I wanted to say we haven't done any videos for a long time. It's because one, we haven't had time, and two, we just don't know what to do anymore. So we really need you to tell us what we can do. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so Maddie's here with me today, and first of all we are going to be doing the outer layer of the bird. I'm doing mine in green and Maddie's doing hers in blue. Okay, so you will need 26 green or blue, or whatever colour you're doing the outer. I just want to say, try not to do it yellow because the inner is going to be yellow. So you need 26 of the outer layer. What are you doing?
There's something in there.
Oh well. Okay, so first of all, we're going to go 3 across from anywhere. Just make sure you've got enough space. 1, 2, 3, and put down a bead on the 4th. And then put another one beside it.
Oh.
If you can hear some scurrying around, it's our pet guinea pig. Okay, and then we're going to put 2 underneath it, like that, and then 1 this way, and another that way. Okay, you can't really see mine.
But can they see mine?
Yeah, it's meant to look like that. And then we want to do diagonally 1, like that. And then the other side, you want to go just down 1, like that. Okay, and now we will go down 5 more times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then if we count 2, so 1, 2, yeah, and then put it on the 3rd peg down, like that. Can you see that?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. And okay. Count 1, 2. Yeah. And then again count 1, 2 on the outer. So 1, 2. And on the 3rd. Like that. Yeah?
Yeah.
Then we want to go down 5. So
Counting the one we've done.
no, not counting it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so it should look like that. And then right at the bottom, we want to go out 2 to the left. So there's 3 on the bottom. And then up 2 in the middle. So it's like that. Okay. And then you know where we went in 1? Have you done that, Mads?
Yeah.
Where we went in 1, we need to go down once and then twice. Now you should have run out of hand beads, if green or blue hand beads, if you've done it correct. Next we're just going to do one eye. We've used black because I think it stands out better. So if we count 1 there, 1 there, there should be 3 at the top, holes, and 1 in the middle. Now the inner layer. You will need 17 yellow, or whatever colour your inner is. So 17, and you're just gonna fill it up, just like one either side of the eye, and then 3 underneath. What is this advert? Okay, and then 3, 4, 3 underneath, like that, and then and then you need to go down 4 here. That's what are you doing? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what is this stupid thing?
It's one of the photos.
Okay.
Okay. And then you go.
And then you need to go in until that's touching, and so it should look like this so far. Sorry about our camera, it's a bit, yeah, but if I'm correct, it would be upside down on your screen, so that would be what it looks like.
I think I've done mine wrong.
No, you haven't. Okay, and then you just need to fill in these gaps here. Yeah?
Oh, I went down one too much.
And then here, just use up the rest of your beads. Well, 3 at the bottom. So it should be like that. Next, we're going to add feet and a beak. So then we put a beak underneath that green there.
Or that blue.
Yeah.
Or any colour that your outline thing
And then
is.
one there where the yellow ends at the bottom, and then one there where the other yellow ends. Okay, that's simply just how to do a bird. And next, well, all we're gonna do is we're just gonna
Did a laminating sheet.
what? A laminating sheet.
Oh, not a laminating sheet.
So some paper, you know, like the greaseproof paper. Just put that on top, and we're gonna iron it. But for now, as we've got lots more room, we're gonna do another one. So we're back, and we've decided to do a check. Yeah. So that's loud. So we're gonna start with. I think we should start with the legs. I know it's a bit random, but the legs. So you need overall 7 orange, but only 6 for the legs. So let's get.
I nearly went onto a bird.
So just somewhere like that's not near the bird, because this is quite a big one. So let's just start off with that leg. So this is the left leg. So we just need to put 3 like an L. Okay?
That's just to say you'll be right on the edge.
I know. That's why I did it there. So I'm going to do mine this way because the camera is upside down, but Madsen will do hers normal way. Okay, and then you want to skip 1 and then put another L there. Oops. Like that. Okay, so that's the feet. Mads, your feet are the wrong way.
Oh.
Okay, and now let's just do a line from this one to this foot.
Past that foot.
Sure. And then let's do 1 extra one. Okay?
Okay.
Oops, I just moved that. Next, Next we want to do another row, but we want it to be sticking out on either side. So just fill in that gap.
Okay.
Like that. And so far this is going good. So now this time we want this to be sticking out this side as well, 1, and then the other side 1. Okay? And then just fill it in so... Oh, I need to turn this around for a sec. So, 1, 2, wait, 3 in, leave a gap, and then just fill in the rest, yeah? And like that. And then this time we don't want it sticking out, so it's going to go up 1 on either side. And then so on this side that the hole was on, we want to go in 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4,
leave a
like
gap.
that. Leave a gap, and then just fill in the rest. And then this time we want to go in 1 on this side, is it?
You just put on top.
No, on
This side.
on
That side.
this side. So we want to go in 1, but then on the other side we just want to go up 1. And then we want to go in this side 3. So 1, 2, 3. So there's a gap there.
Done.
And then just fill in the rest. Okay, and then this time we do want to go in on both sides.
Do it.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, I messed mine up. Like that. And on the other side. And we want to go in 1 on this side, on the left. Skip 1 and then fill in the rest. Three. 1, 2, 3, 5. Yeah?
So that's my last. 3.
What have we done that?
4. And then get behind that.
Why is there a gap there?
Above the light peach.
No, it's just no. And then no.
Yeah.
No, because the light beach goes there.
No, because it's not on top.
Yes, it is. Look. Okay, sorry about that. And then we go out 1 here. Wait.
Yes, we do.
Wait, I've done mine wrong. Move that.
You're blaming me and now
Go.
you've done it wrong.
No, you still did it wrong. Go out 1 there.
Done.
Go up 1 there.
Dun, dun, dun.
Shush. And then I need you to go
I messed mine up.
up 1 there.
Is that right?
And then up 1 there.
I've messed mine up. I'm just taking all these yellows. I just randomly added on.
Okay, I'm just going to turn mine around for now because it is confusing.
What? You told me to do it wrong.
Have I?
Yeah. You told me to put that yellow one there. And it's meant to be 3, 2. You said I did it
I did
right.
say I messed up. Okay, and then
Love to do.
and then we need to go just over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
We made 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've done something wrong.
I know. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then down 1. Okay, and just put 1 in the middle, just like that, and then 1 of these up the top. Okay, and now, did I say how much yellow you needed?
Yeah, I think you need...
49 yellow.
Yeah, no, you haven't said.
Oh, well, you were meant to have 49 yellow, sorry. And now, a darker yellow. You need 9. And then you need to fill in some of the gaps that you made. So, put 1 there. Put 1 there. Oh, got to turn them back around. 1 there. There. And so we have finished them, finally. We have ironed them.
Yeah.
These are mine too.
And these are mine.
Okay, so we hope that yours has come out as good as, well, or better, as good as ours.
Go together.
Yeah. And try to get in contact with us and send us some pictures, yeah? Comment on what you want us to do, and
We'll do them.
hopefully this summer we'll be doing more, as my friend Cassie is sleeping down, so we can do loads of videos. Don't forget to like if you like this video and subscribe to see more of our videos. Bye from our